How to fix Spotify login error. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix Spotify login errors, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. So if you'd like to fix login errors on Spotify, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is just go to spotify.com first of all, and then first we have to simply identify the order. Now once you're on the spotify.com, click the login option from the top right. Now just make sure that the credentials are actually correct. If you're not being able to log in, make sure that they're correct. If you're not sure what password you've typed in, you can just click the eye icon on the right hand side over here in order to see what password you've typed in as well, and that will most likely help you see if you're facing any sort of issues. Now in case you don't remember your password, then in that case what you can do is you can just select continue with Google, Facebook or Apple ID in order to just go ahead and find out from those. After you've done that, you should most likely be able to solve it problem for you. Otherwise you can just reset it by clicking the forgot your password option. If you're using the Spotify app, make sure that your app is updated. If you're using from your mobile data or your Wi-Fi, make sure that your internet connection is also working just fine. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve your problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.